Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's CJ and today we're going to show you this new camera that was sent to us by Reolink, and we're going to show you the cellular plan that we're going to use to be able to use this camera. Okay, so what we have here is a Reolink Go with a solar panel. And what I'm going to use this camera for is going to be basically for hunting, for scouting, and also to keep tabs on the property. If you know me, you know one of my pet peeves is trespassing. So we're going to use this to keep tabs on the parts of the property that I can't see from the house. So we got our instructions in here, and then opening up here we got the camera, and then here's a nice feature is a camo cover. It's kind of hard to see the camo on there, but that is a camo cover to put over this camera. I assume this is the strap to put it around a tree or a post, whatever. And I think this is the battery. We'll look here closer. And keep opening up the box. Oh. Here is the solar panel and the mount. Alright, so before we go any further, I wanted to talk to you about the cellular plan that I chose to go with. We looked at AT&T, Verizon, but we was recommended by a woman to try this Freedompop, if you can read that. Yeah, there it is. Freedompop is what we was recommended to get, and it's for $7 a month. So I'm going to open this up and take the SIM card out of it so I can put it in this camera. Okay, so I got my SIM card activated, and I've also put it inside the camera there. If you can see, it's down here in the bottom and it's face down with the shiny side down. So now we're going to take the battery and we're just going to shove it in there. Red light comes on.
Camera is starting up. Please wait.
Okay, now this camera is going to try to recognize that SIM card, and if it does, it worked. It takes a few seconds for it to recognize it.
Network connection succeeded.
Alright, so we're in business here. So now we can take this thing down into the woods. I'm going to put it on a deer trail and hang it into a tree, and we might have to finish setting up our actual Freedompop activation. I'm not sure yet, but we'll go ahead and get this thing set up down in the woods. So I hope you like this video. I hope to help you out if you want to keep tabs on your property. Maybe you have a building somewhere that's not close to your house, or maybe a lot of guys, when they're hunting like a national forest or a state forest and they don't have any property, they'll get one of these cell cams, set it out there, and then they can just check it from their house, because some of these guys drive hours to get to wherever they're hunting. So this would be ideal for that, so you don't have to drive hours just to check your trail camera. I really like these Reolink cameras. They're well made, they are durable. We have another one that they sent us for our chicken coop. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the card up here or up here, I can't remember which side. But if you haven't seen that video, that camera connects to the Wi-Fi, and we check in on our chickens with that camera all the time. So if you're interested in this camera, I'm going to put a link in the description for the camera and for the Freedompop plan. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with anybody that might be interested in one of these cameras. And until next time, thanks for watching.